Wait 2 more minutes. I've opened SSH. Specify username was admin. Okay. I am creating one folder mkdir ssl. mkdir ssl. Now I am creating the kdb. Now I am creating kdb rdb stats by using kdb rdb stats. Notepad. First we need to create KDB RDB stash key database RDB relational database. It will comes Oracle concept is there. Refer Oracle Oracle. Okay, this stash password KDB password will be stored under the stash. Okay, first create folder SSL by using mkdir SSL under IHS home bin. What is IHS home? What is the path? This is OPT IBM HTTP server under SSL. This is IHS home directory. So I am creating the KDB by creating the KDB by using GSKCMD commands. After that, creating the certificate and add that certificate into my KDB. That certificate must and should be default /gskcmd -key database -create -db opt IBM HTTP server under this SSL ihs.kdb -pw password. I am giving password as webas or wasadmin -type CMS or JKS or JKCES or PKCS12. We are giving the type. Basically, we are giving CMS or JKS. Basically, okay. So after this, expiry 3650 or 10 years. After that, stash. Okay, this is the command I entered in the same in my SSH /gskcmd -key database -create -db opt IBM HTTP server SSL under ihs.kdb -pw webas -expiry 3650 -type CMS -stash. Password will be stored under the stash. KDB password will be stored under the stash. Enter. KDB is created with 10 years validity. If any issues, we will rectify. I am giving the permissions chmod -r 775 opt IBM HTTP server SSL under SSL store. So I have some steps for implementing the certificate. For implementing the certificate, I configure certificate. Okay, this is certificate I created. Okay, this is the stash, right? 365 days. I given 3650. Now I am creating the self-signed certificate and I attach it into the root, attach it into the KDB. Okay. Is there any wrong HTTP server? Okay. Creating. Okay. IHS set -db KDB password DN. DN means domain name. Okay. Certificate consists of domain name, common name, organization unit, and organizations. We can modify as organization as. We can use organization as my own organization. Middleware. I will put middleware. Okay. Middleware Delhi and state. State is equal Delhi. Common name is country is equal to IN. Okay. This is the web address is the password for KDB. So enter. Okay. I am creating the certificate and we need to set as the default certificate. We need to set as the default certificate. See, by using the command set as the default -kdb and -stash. Okay, this is -set dot slash gsk cmd -set default. Which default? IHS dot certificate is the default. Which certificate? Root certificate. IHS certificate. That is the thing. After that, we enable the load module and we can security port number. We can verify dot slash gskcmd -set -list -db opt IBM http server SSL ihs.kdb -pw webas. I entered how many certificate is added in the KDB. We need to verify by using IHS, by using GSK CMD. Okay, this is the thing happen in the real time. So I need to enable the load module 22 and already enabled. And here there are 42 load modules are there in the IHS. You can take backup of the http d.conf for a future purpose. Okay. After this, I am enable edge. I am enable the module. This I am disable edge right to where. Okay, I am here. I am 808422 2443. My own port number I will configure. My own port number and IP address of the IHS. Okay, and enable the load module. Enable the load modules 2443. Two double four three. Here no star. I have my own port number SSL. I am enabling the SSL key file. What is the key file path? Here SSL slash ihs.kdb. Okay. After this, enabling all 2443, I am adding. This is after this, and we have pasted the load module 22. Already load module is there. Generate and propagate plugins also is there. No issues reported. After this, I am restarting the IHS. I am starting the VAS console profile started profiles. In this, we are observing commonly in the profiles, dmjar is the by default set. Set is equal to true. Dot slash start server dot sh and dmgr. After that, we configure virtual host 2443 port number and generate and propagate the plugins. After that, we can access application under 2443 port number. How to access the application under 2443 port number? This is we have target. After this, we can take backup of the security.xml and trust.p12 and key.p12. Later that we can export, extract the certificate, root certificate, and add to the plugin KDB. We will source practically. Some of the organization using MobileStorm, so I will use MobileStorm this session. After this, here, after this, stash, take backup of trust.p12, comma, key.p12, comma, security.xml by using cp space -pr, security.xml, security.xml underscore bkp, cp space -pr, trust.p12, trust2.p12 underscore bkp, cp space -pr, security.xml, security.xml underscore bkp. After this, extract root certificate under IBM under security, under that SSL certificate management, under that key store and certificates, under that default trust store, Under that, signer certificates. Under that, root certificate. Select root certificate and extract the certificate. After extract, we need to add that extracted certificate in plugin key.kdb. Okay. Later we will generate and propagate the plugins. Okay. This will be done under CMD line or console level. CMD dot slash gen plugin cfg.sh under was home profiles under dmgr01 bin. You can run the command dot slash gen plugin cfg.sh. Okay, I will show you after starting the dmgr. Yes, my dmgr is started. I will configure HTTP. This is my console port number 19002. I given hyphen starting port number. By default console port number is 9060. 9043 is that DMGR console security port number. Okay. Application accessing port number 90809443 and 443 is the security. Based on the requirement, we can give the own port numbers. Now my requirement is 2443 is my requirement. We have accessed the application 2443. Keep remember this. We can go to web server, click particular web server, select my backend. My backend is already server is started, but it will show server is stop state by using we can improper configurations. Okay, improper configurations 2443. Now we can save master repository. Save means dmjar, review means we have saved unmanaged nodes. Unmanaged node, there is no start option in the web server. There is no start option. They are not able to start web server in the console by using unmanaged node. We have manager node. We can start console. So already started. Okay. So we need to configure same thing in my virtual host environment. Virtual host and a default host and a host alias. I have recently configured 1443 and 8082 is there. I rename 1443 previously established. I rename 2443. Star means any source. Now HTTPS 192.168.88.144.2443. Yes, I am accessing the IHS C 2443. Now I am accessing the application plans by WebSphere. Server is down due to I am not add root certificate under plugins. I am adding root certificate. Go to PWD CD HTTP server under bin. I am extracting the certificate. I am extracting the root certificate. Go to the security and SSL certificate and key management and key store and certificates and default trust store. Under default trust store there is signer certificate. This is the third party certificate and enable select and extract slash opt slash IBM extract hyphen set dot crt. Extracted completed. Now go to plugin properties, click web server, click particular web server, go to the plugin properties and copy web server key store directory. Okay, after this we can add the certificate under KDB, plugin KDB. What is the command? Dot slash gskcmd hyphen set hyphen yard certificate yard opt IBM HTTP server SSL hyphen yard hyphen db plugin db plugin KDB. This is my plugin KDB. Okay, after this hyphen file opt IBM extract underscore certificate hyphen pw webs is the password hyphen type gmd hyphen set hyphen add hyphen db plugin kdb hyphen file hyphen webs hyphen label root hyphen cert. Same command are verifying one more time. Command is correct or not, we have verified one more time. Hyphen add hyphen db plugin and hyphen file. Okay, label yes hyphen pw correct. You can enter. Yes, I am check the is properly added or not. We can verify hyphen db hyphen pw hyphen, after that we can asking for password. Yes, root.cer. Okay, suppose how to verify certificate is expired or not by using open SSL command. Open SSL XY09. What is the stands for XY09 means certificate capturing the data, common name and the domain name and organization and organization unit. It will verify hyphen in What is the certificate? OPT IBM extract. Okay, hyphen no out. Okay, hyphen no out. Hyphen and dates. Hyphen dates. You can verify. We can verify. Okay, 2024 to 2039. Okay, this is way to verify the certificate is expiring or not. OpenSSL is the command. X509 stands for capturing the data of certificates, and in this is the certificate, and no out. Now we can give an entire information, common name and other by using text. Okay, entire common name and all the things. Okay, I have 3 certificates. DigiCert certificates are there. We can verify DigiCert certificates. OpenSSL X509 hyphen in OPT IBM WebSphere app server profiles under DMGR SSL and DigiCert. I have root certificate is there DigiCert. Okay, hyphen no out. Hyphen and dates. Hyphen dates. Hyphen text. This is the DigiCert certificate. Okay, 2021, 2046, 20 years. Okay, country DigiCert TLS. Currently TLS 1.3 we are using. Latest is 1.3. Okay, like this you can identify. Okay, after this we can PWD where it is Apache CTL start. Now I am starting the application servers one by one. // syncnode.sh 192.168.88 144 19005 is the my SOAP connector port number of DMGR. Start node.sh start server.sh VAS server is the my server name. Start server.sh my test cluster 1 is the my cluster name. After entering, either any issues we can troubleshoot. No issues is reported. Suppose we have so many logs are generated, each and every command separate log is generating. Add node.log, sync node.log is generating. Okay, keep remember this is a one of the interview question and a certification question. Suppose I need to entering the yard node.command in the command prompt, which log need to be create yard node purpose. Yard node.log is generated. It will be placed under app server 1 and logs. Yard node.log is present for sync node purpose. Sync node.log is present. In this log, we can verify is a successfully synchronization or successfully federated or not. We can clearly visible in the yard node.log or sync node.log. Please keep remember this. This is the one of the certification question and interview questions. Suppose I have 2 versions, VAS 8 and VAS 9. I am planning to do migration. Suppose some of the cells not migrated, we no need to deploy the federation. There is some issue is happening while migration. There is like that. You can assume that all cells in the same version need to be there. Then only we can deployment is happen. Otherwise, there is no deployment. This is the one of the certification question 9.0.5 version. We are providing genuine content. Okay, please share your channel to your friends and relatives. May be helpful there. Okay, SSL is very easy to secure connection. So to security of the application servers and security for the application. Okay, by here I will show one small diagram of OSI reference model. I deleted, I think. OSI reference model is very important. There is 7 layers. One is transport layer, one is application layer, one is presentation layer, one is transport layer. This is a heart of the application. Transport layer to transmit the packets into the secure connection by using TLS, transmission transport layer security. Okay, each and every topic triggered in that WebSphere, DBMS, and OS, and data structures and algorithms. Every topic need to be remember this. Suppose how to generate the process IDs in OS, allocating the process ID by using stack and queues. Okay, by using the stack address A of 0 is equal to 1 arrays, A of 1 is equal A of 1 is equal to 1, like that. Yes, I am accessing the application 2443. Okay, 2443 I am accessing the application for secure connection. Okay, app server 2 bin. I am starting another application server. This is the basic. After that, I will add third party certificates in the my DMGR console. Third party certificate we need to add. Okay. Okay. Parallelly, we can go console already started, right? Backend it will be start. Go to certificate, SSL key store and management. I will another session. I will take. I am taking backup of trust store and key stores. CP space -pr security.xml. I taken backup. So I have three certificates are there: root, intermediate, and server certificates. Recently, I raised a CSR. They given the certificate DigiCert. These are my root and intermediate certificates. Third-party certificates configuration purpose. So I am internal certificates configure. Go to default key stores. But this is CSR we need to raise here, and we can add the certificates by using personal certificates. Extract certificate /opt IBM extract dot crt. Extract underscore root. After this, we can create channel certificate. Means see, communication channel means communication between the root and the server certificate, alias root underscore new certificate. I give any alias, common name, middleware technologies. Country India, IN, apply. Review and save changes. Which files? Key.p12 on security.xml file need to be updating. Press OK. Replace. Replace with no false. We can select wrong. Select and replace. Old certificate is default, and select delete old signers certificates. Review, save changes. See, delete.p2. See, after this, renew. Like that we can configure. Okay, this is import key store, import, export, select, export key store, which key store and all the things we can configure. Okay, and like this. This file. Export. Okay, like this. Okay, delete. After this, cell default key store and certificates. Select key store and change password. You can change the password webas to vas admin, whatever it is. Like that, you can change the password. Okay, or we can create the key.p12 also. Host 192.168.88.144. Enable cryptography operation or hardware device. Okay, read only initialization at startup. Or we can disable this. Don't if you are not find out. Already there. That was OPT IBM. I change the path. That's it. Array already exist. Latest. Review, and these files need to updating. Okay. We have key dot and password required. Change password. I forgot by mistake. Okay. Bash admin at the rate 123. Key store password. Okay. Like that. Go to SSL security management, key store and certificates. Default trust store and signer certificates. Yard. This is root certificate. The one of the certification question. Suppose certificate is expired, you can delete or replace the certificate after adding. After that, replace the old certificate. Okay, same thing. I will delete old certificate. Before delete, we need to extract. Already we are extracting before doing that. So select and extract. Now I am adding the plugins. Dot slash gsk cmd hyphen sat hyphen add db of the plugins kdb path plugin kdb path. This is plugin kdb path hyphen file opt extract underscore latest hyphen pw. Okay, hyphen label where is unknown parameter. Okay, we can forget a db dot slash gsk cmd hyphen sat hyphen list hyphen db. How many certificates need to be added? One is extract, one is root. Yes, this is I am validating this certificate. Open SSL xy09 hyphen in. What is the file? This is the file, certificate file hyphen no out hyphen dates. Yes, 2021 to 2024 2046 hyphen text hyphen and dates. Like that we can verify. Suppose how to use IKman, I will show you IKman also. First xming we can open and we can open putty. cd opt IBM http server bin dot slash ikman. It will enable, it will pop up window coming GUI mode. This is the pop up. Creating the KDBs, CMS or JKS, JCK, PK, CS like that. We can use JKS, we can use JKS key dot, and after this SSL key dot JKS IHS password was admin and creating the new self-signed certificate. Signature algorithm. Country 10 years validity of the my certificate. Okay, like this. Rename or validate. We can check validate the certificate. Validation successful. Press. You can validate 1024 and our local host and everything. April 11, 2024 to April 9, 2034. View details. TBV. Okay, algorithm and everything it will be shows. receive, recreate, request, recreate, extract, certificate, extract, SSL under base, CRT. Okay, view or edit, we can use view or edit, or export or import KDBs like that. You can use export or import like that. Certificate, create new self-signed certificate. Already created like this. You can create new certificate request CSR. This is the CSR certificate. You can create CSR and send to your client. They will give the certificates. Add new providers. You will save current key database in different formats. See, different formats. Okay. This is the folder creation. Okay, like this. IKman. Okay. Thank you for watching this. Please share to your friends and relatives. Only this channel genuine content will be providing. There is no copy paste in this channel. Genuine content will be providing this channel. Okay, kindly share to your friends and family members. Okay, thank you for watching this. I will stop sharing. Okay, thank you for watching this. Stop recording and stop virtual machine virtual and stop. Thank you for watching. Share to your friends and family members. This channel very useful for a WebSphere and WebLogic and a DevOps course will teach in this channel. Okay, we'll come up with the next topic, data source. will coming up within a few days.